Wow. So before we start, let me tell you guys about the brand LYLUX. LYLUX is an international brand which researches personal care and home aesthetic globally. Founded in Hong Kong, LYLUX has an international team of nearly 100 engineers, scientists and software developers. The thing I like about this hand dryer, it is so portable, you can travel with it, it's travel safe. The world's first cordless, bladeless hairdryer. The wooden comb that came with it. See, so solid. A dust bag came with it as well. This you just keep it inside when you're traveling. Then a manual. This manual came with it. All the instructions, the informations about this dryer is inside this manual. Fully charged now. I'm going to remove these papers from it. I think I need a scissors. You see here, you really protect this. Even at the back, there is one here. You just have to remove this one. I'm still going to remove this one. All right. See, this is magnet. See that? It's magnet, okay? And here, I think this is very hot, medium, and this is off. I think so. Let me see. Oh yeah, this on, okay? Ooh. Wow. You take it up. You just have to take it up like this with this. On it is a medium. Baby, what is so high? You see, really high. Bring it down. This. Portable and verticalized. Cordless allow you to carry it on a trip or dry other things safely, like a painting or your lovely pet after a bath. Super safe, bladeless design and air along the handle prevent hair from getting caught. 131° F/55° C comfortable. Prevent high temperature from damaging hair and dry hair quickly and gently. Negative ion hair care technology neutralize the positive charge of the hair and emulate static electricity. Rechargeable 85% recharge in just 45 minutes. The thing I like about this hand dryer, it is so portable, you can travel with it, it's travel safe, okay? Because it doesn't come with a cord. You can go around wherever you want after charging it just to dry your hair whenever you wash your hair or even your wigs, okay? Even your baby, you can use it for your baby to dry your baby's hair. Guys, I have a good news for you. With my discount code LYLUX-CHELSEA, you can get 10% off your purchase if you buy this hand dryer. And believe me, this hand dryer, when you buy it, you will not regret it. It's life-saving. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. I washed my hair, I dried my hair with the hair dryer, okay? And you can regulate it the way you want. It has medium heat, it has high heat, and it has low heat. So it all depends on the texture of your hair. You can regulate it the way you like. It has a on button, and when you take it up is on, when you take it down is off. It's very easy to manipulate. And one thing I like is just for you to charge it. You plug it and you charge it once it is full. If you use it very well when you travel with it, even if you don't go with the charger, it can last you a little while, okay? So that is one thing. So in case if you want to get, just head to the description box and you can use my code LYLUX-CHELSEA to get $10 off your purchase. That is a good deal. The charger of the hand dryer is waterproof, so you can charge it in your bathroom. There is no problem about that. Dry quickly, only 30 minutes charge to 80%. 11,000 is 11,000 or 11 million is level 00000 RPM. Safe qualification and certification. 131 degree F55C comfortable temperature. Prevent extreme heat from damaging your hair and keep your hair natural shine. It doesn't have noise. That is one thing I like. When you're using it, the noise is very low. And also comfortable temperature makes your head shine and healthy. It's auto switch. LED indicator lights can use hot wind mode between hot wind and cold wind. Innovative technology, 88 watts fast recharging. You can charge it at any time and you can use it at any time. The color is professional version and the SKU is A/EU/HA001/G. Then the weight is 661 G. So that is it about this hair dryer. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Don't forget, all the information about this hair dryer is going to be on the description box, and it's cordless hair dryer. All right guys, catch you guys very soon. Bye. Ciao.